we'll come back to default. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to whitelist an IP address in cPanel. Whitelisting an IP address essentially means granting it permission to bypass certain security restrictions, which is important for maintaining access while ensuring security. cPanel plays a key role in allowing you to manage these IP whitelists. First, you'll need to access cPanel. This is typically done by entering your domain name followed by /panel in your web browser, like yourdomain.com/panel. Then, enter your username and password. Keep in mind that hosting providers may have slightly different login pages. You'll want to identify your IP address, which is crucial for whitelisting. An easy way to find it is by simply Googling, "What is my IP address?" or using a website like whatismyip.com. Navigate to the Security section within cPanel. Here, you'll find several tools that allow IP whitelisting. cPanel Brute Force Protection is one option. It's designed to prevent brute force attacks, and whitelisting an IP bypasses these restrictions. Another tool is the IP blocker, primarily used for blocking IP addresses, but it can sometimes be used to manage authorized IPs, though this is generally less secure. Finally, you might see a firewall option, such as Config Server Security and Firewall, or CSF, depending on your hosting provider. Whitelisting within the firewall is also important. Let's look at whitelisting in cPanel Brute Force Protection. Once you've located cPanel in the Security section, find the Allow IP Address section. Enter the IP address you want to whitelist and click Add. Then, verify that the IP address is now listed in the whitelist. We'll address whitelisting an IP blocker, but remember, this is not recommended if other options are available. If you choose to proceed, enter the IP address in the IP address or domain field and click Add. Keep in mind that this blocks the IP for anyone else, making it an unsuitable method for whitelisting in most cases. Let's discuss whitelisting in a firewall like CSF. Locating the firewall section might require contacting your hosting provider for assistance. Once there, find a Quick Allow or a similar feature. Enter the IP address, add a brief description or comment if desired, and click Quick Allow. Remember that the exact method may vary depending on the firewall interface. For whitelisting, it's important to test if it was successful. Try accessing resources that were previously blocked or restricted to confirm that the whitelist IP now has access. In conclusion, we've covered the steps for whitelisting an IP address in cPanel, emphasizing the importance of security best practices. Consider whether you have a static or dynamic IP, as dynamic IPs will require re-whitelisting. Also, remember to review your whitelist regularly for outdated entries. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact your hosting provider. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Default.